In this video today, I'm going to practically show you the best and the most viral way to upload your YouTube shorts and go viral, because my YouTube shorts goes from this to this currently and is still going. Like, I can't, if you have been watching me, you will know that I don't get keep, and I'm just so excited about this. And if you watch this video till the end, I'm not only going to show you all that, I'm also going to show you how you can use your YouTube shorts to even generate more viewers or bring more traffic to your older or your longer form of videos, so that you not only get subscribers from your YouTube short, you also get watch hours and get monetized. So if all this interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, so that you don't miss out. And then if you have not joined my YouTube 30 days challenge, I don't know what you are waiting for. I don't want to even talk much about that. So let's just go to the practical aspect of this video. So the best and most viral way to upload your YouTube short is when you come right here in the YouTube app, you click on the plus button and then you come to shorts. So let me flip my camera. Okay, so if you click right here, you will now click shorts. Then the first tip is that you use viral sound. That's my first tip. So right here, you see up here, you will see add sound. So you tap on it, and when you tap on it, you will see recommended sound. You will see more, but you can scroll down and you can also click the search bar right here in case there's any particular viral sound you want to use. Like right now, when I'm creating this video, you can see that this not turning back is what is trending right now. So if I want to use it, I'll just click right here and you see this arrow. I'll click on it. That means the sound has been added to this video. So the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to click right here to add, right? So if I click right here to add video, it's going to show me all the videos in my gallery. So I can simply just scroll and select one and then click on next. So once I click on next, it's going to bring me up here. So the next thing I'm going to do, I will click on done right here. So once I click on done, it's going to take few seconds to process, and once the video is successfully processed, it's going to bring me right here, and then I'll click on this done here. So if I click on it, I'm going to bring down the volume so that it will not distract this video, right? So the next thing I'm going to do, I will still click on next. But before you click on next, if you want your videos to go viral short, the second tip is add caption within YouTube. Aside from the editing you will do for your YouTube shorts in your editing app, make sure you add something related while you are uploading the video. So the next thing I will do, I will click on this text and then type, let me say this video now is about YouTube shorts, right? So let me just say YouTube shorts, or anything that is related to the video you are doing. So I'll just click I'll just tap YouTube shorts, right? YouTube shorts. So and another thing you should know is that the moment you put the text right here, you can always edit it. You can click it and click on edit. So let's say I don't want this color, I can change, I can twist, I can do whatever I want. I can resize it. That's one. The second thing, you can also change the timing. Like if you click on it now, you see this timing. So when you click on it, I can decide that okay, is from the beginning of the video that I want it to show, or towards the end. This is very important that you add caption to your videos add text within YouTube. When you click on done, the next thing you are going to click is this next right here. So once you click on next, it's going to give you option, and the first thing you need to do is to add the title. And before you even go ahead to title your video, you must have do your search engine optimization by knowing what are the trending hashtag that is related to that your YouTube video. So that YouTube short, like let me say now this one I'm doing about a YouTube, let me say how to go viral on YouTube, right? Viral on YouTube. how to go viral on YouTube. So I'll now add a hashtag to the title. So I'll click on hashtag YouTube shorts, right? YouTube shorts. Your own now, it could be hashtag loose belly fat, hashtag camera shy, whatsoever it is. That's what you should do. That's the first thing. The second thing is make sure the visibility here is private. If you allow your video to go public the moment you upload it, YouTube did not even have time to process it and to even know either it is the right content, either there is copyright and all those things. So it is important you leave your video on private. I'm going to show you the next tip. So after you put it on private, the next thing that you are going to do is this location right here, but I do leave my own automatic. I'm a Nigerian. So the next thing is select audience. Extremely important, because if you leave your own select audience as is made for kids, YouTube is not going to allow anyone to drop comments in the comment section of your video, and the more people engage with your video, the higher it will go viral. So put it is not meant for kids, and then go back here. So here is where the trick is. If you want to generate more view to your longer form content, so how do? You see these related videos right here, this related video, you click on it. So if you have a particular video that you want people to watch, maybe this short form content have a longer form content, you just click on it, you will see all your videos and you select and it will bring you back. Then the next thing is you are going to upload your short. Remember, your short is still on private. Make sure your video is still on private. So once you have successfully done that, the next thing you are going to do is to go to your YouTube studio on your desktop. You can use your mobile phone using Chrome. So how do we do that? I'll just go straight to my YouTube studio. You can search for studio.youtube.com and it will bring you, so that you can now sign up with your channel. And once you do that, you are going to come here and click content. So once you click on content, it's going to show you all the video that you upload. Then you now click on the pencil sign, and then you now start editing your video. This is very, very important. So this is where it will now give you more opportunity to add description. And in the description, you are going to make sure you add the related words. In the description, you are going to write about the video, and the best thing that you can do is you can go to ChatGPT and then search for, give me YouTube description for my video or for my short video about this and that and that, and before you know, ChatGPT will give you. You can also just read it, change one or two things and put it here. So once you do that, make sure you still select it is not meant for kids, right? It is not meant for kids. You select it and then you come right here. It will give you opportunity to add playlists. So for you to add playlist, you just click right here and add it to a playlist. Playlist is very, very important to your videos on YouTube, because it's going to help organize your content, so that when somebody watch one, it will recommend the next one and the next one and the next one. And the higher people stay on your video, the more your video will go viral. So once you've done that, you are going to click save right here. So, and when you click save, remember it is still not on public. So once you have done that, you now come back to your YouTube app and then come and click your videos. When you click your videos, you are going to see that particular video. You click on it and you now edit it, and you can now set it to public. But my own recommendation is that if you are uploading video, you need to upload it and leave it on YouTube for at least 2 hours, okay, so that it will give you time to do the optimization. And not only that, it will also give YouTube awareness that this is what this video is all about, so that YouTube will process it and go through it, and so that when your video is live, people can come watch. I've done detailed video showing you how to create a YouTube channel, how to edit, how to optimize, doing SEO, how to create thumbnail, how to create channel banner and all that. This video on a very good note, when I discover anything like this, I will first of all keep it to myself and do more and more and more. But because of the 30 days growth challenge, I want to help as many as possible. So if you are a new YouTuber, let me know in the comment section. If you have not joined the challenge, the link is in the description. If you have any question, ask in the comment section of this video. Until I come your way again in my next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.